What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Ang dia committee officer nga the frame committee o kelam belum lada ke arpundi meli pautrik mo wi chong both side of the district admission ang wanda i peace committee teto gelites kaman na sao thu ini por to por ba sabel tut pri buyong ni dan ni kelam bisi le mo delhi ro mesti do monde walu ta haju por idem in sachi tu to discuss mo temelum lada frame next week to chonga peace committee both side of the district administration. Border talk is a continuous process. Kato side by side. Kata sesuatu kuat cuma baca melalui kelam terkaptan yang di present situation je kelam sup tu bukan nak bagus. Tapi government yo request of action online. Akan mundur cuma meeting of chief secretary. DG yo boleh ngomong.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.